Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I already pulled the package, and this here, it's from AliExpress and it's called Goodliness, the company. I took one pack out because I want to see it, so we're gonna take the rest out. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Wow. And look at it, guys, it's almost matching your skin. I'm gonna use it to make my wig coming up soon. And that's it. So I bought it in a 14-inch, 16-inch bundle. And I don't have to take out these. These are two 18-inch. And that's it. I'm gonna give these away because I don't really want them. I have some already. Now I'm at it again and I'm gonna make another wig for you. This one is like ombre looking. You need a wig cap. This one is a fine mesh one. It's from AliExpress. It's like $2 something, some for $3. This is the closure, so I pin it on the wig cap. Basically that's it. I have two 18 and one 16. I'm gonna start off with the 16, and then maybe I add 18 and add more, so I can have like a thicker bottom because they are somewhat a little bit thin on the end. You need a needle and some thread. Now I'm going to sew from ear to ear. I'm going to start with the pack of 16 and I'm going to double it up a few times. I'm going to start about from here. After you knot it or sew it well somewhat, then all you want to do, you can cut it here and start again, but I'm going to cut it closer to the top up here. I'm going to make about a few rows of this before I start to cut it. I'm going to double it up again just like that, and I'm going to sew it the same way. So my peeps, when I reach right here, I'm gonna cut it. And that's where I'm at. And that's the space that left. Now guys, I'm gonna close everything. And guys, as you can see, I have to sew right here flat so it evens out, and then I'll just start regular. Now I'm going to start the second bundle, and this is 18 inch. And that's it, my peeps. I'm gonna continue right around, and when I reach up here, then I'll come back. And this is where I'm at. I double it up right until here, and now I'm gonna make them in one. I won't double it anymore because I want it to lay flat, just like the closure. So in order to close everything up, you want to grab piece and you want to put it on top right here. So you have this part, then you're going to go across. Almost done. I'm gonna put two in this space. I'm gonna put one close to here, and then I'm gonna put the next one right on the edge right here. One more. If you have a piece of band and it's stretchy enough, go ahead and you can sew it piece right here and another piece across here. So when you put it on, it has some stretch to it, and you're gonna put this part behind your head. All right, if not, here I'm gonna put 4 clips. I'm gonna put one right here, one here, one at the back, and then I'm gonna put one right here. All right guys, so this is it. Guys, I couldn't show you how I put it on because you know me and this frontal, I have to glue it, blow dry it, glue it, and put it on. So if you want me to do a video on this, how I glue it on, then that's another process. All right, but anyhow, this is the unit, this is the wig. It was longer guys, but I didn't like how it was so thin at the end, so I cut it. Ooh, and I lay some baby hair. I'm not into the baby hair, so I didn't lay too much. I just lay a little bit. And guys, this is the unit. I love it. I add a little bit of curls to it, just some big curls, and I cut it. I just cut it in a like a bob, and I like the result. The result is better. So I would give this a 7.5, and the colors are really nice, and the hair is soft guys, it's really soft. So that's the thing I like about it, it's so soft. It looks like it will keep the curls too. And you know, you can comb it. This hair cost $118. I made it myself, and I got a wig cap, cheap, and some needles, and you know, I just went ahead and I sew it together. But for $118, I add all 3 bundles to make it this thick. But sometimes when I buy here, I can just use the closure and 2 bundles. But this one, I had to double them up, double up the hair to get it this thick. It has lots of thickness to it, guys, because I double it up. it's thick enough. It's about 180 or more of thickness, because I cut it because the end was so thin. And guys, this is the final result. More hair video coming up. And this is my makeup, guys. I'm going to eat some wings with my kids. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Makeup on my teeth. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. God first.